Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Tech PBA. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to take you through how to enable or how to allow ping requests between Windows 10 and Windows 11, or in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So more technically, we can say that we're going to look at how to enable or how to allow ICMP echo requests between or in Windows 10 and as well as in Windows 11. So let's delve straight into it. So the first thing we're going to do is that I have a host machine which is running Windows 10, and then I have a guest machine which is running Windows 11. So on the Windows 10, what I'm going to do is to check the IP address of it by pressing the Windows key R and typing CMD. So very quickly, I will check the IP address of the host PC by typing ipconfig and then noting the IP address down. So this is the IP address of my host PC, 192.168.0.139. So the same way, I'm going to check the IP address of the guest PC by opening a command prompt, Windows key R, typing CMD, hitting enter, and then the same way, the same command to check the IP address. I'll reduce the window a bit, and then type ipconfig. So yes, the guest PC's IP address is 192.168.0.183, and then host is 139. So I'm going to try on the host PC. I'm going to try to ping the guest PC's IP address by typing ping space 192.168.0.183 and then press enter. So as you can see, the ping requests between the two systems are not allowed for now. Then let me try pinging the host PC's IP address too from the guest and see 192.168.0.139. Hit enter, and as you can see, that too is not allowed. So in the host PC, what we're going to do is in the search box, we're going to search for Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. So we'll click on that and then wait for it to open, and then in the window we'll click on inbound rules, because these are inbound traffic we are trying to allow. Now we'll scroll down, so we see the ICMP echo requests. This very one, we can enable it. Right click on it and then click on enable rule, and then we'll do the same for the domain. As you can see, the first one is actually for private and domain, and the second private and public, sorry, and the second one is for domain networks. So we've enabled those two. Let's quickly open our guest PC and try to ping the IP address of the host PC again and see the command -t, and now as we can see, the traffic is going through. The ICMP or the ping request is going through successfully. Just as we've done on the host PC, we will do the same thing on the guest PC as well. So we'll go to the guest PC, Let's terminate this one and then minimize it, and then in the search box we'll search for the same thing, Windows Firewall with, or Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. We'll click on the inbound rules, then we'll scroll down to the ICMP echo requests. And then just as we did on the Windows 10 machine, this is a Windows 11 machine, just as we did on the Windows 10 machine, we'll enable the two, one for private and public, and then the second one for domain network. Enable those two. But if you are to enable these two, the ICMP echo requests for the private, public, and then the domain networks, and still you are facing issues, you can as well enable the file and printer sharing echo requests, and then also the other one for the domain networks. So you can enable those as well. If the first two don't work, then now we can test by pinging the host IP address, adding the command, the parameters -t to it, hitting enter. Now you can see we are able to reach the guest computer, which is the Windows 11 computer. So guys, yes, this is a quick one on how to enable ICMP echo requests